Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, I know it's been a really long time since I uploaded a video. A lot has changed since then, but here I am again. So I guess I'll be uploading videos regularly from now on, so definitely subscribe to the channel. And what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Almost all of us have a computer at home, but many of us don't have a webcam. Because of that, we are forced to use our mobile phones to attend meetings and online classes. But actually, you can use your mobile phone as a webcam for your computer.
For this, you need to download the WEBCAM app on your phone and your computer, for which links will be in the description below. First, on your phone, go to the Google Play Store and download this app. Next, on your PC, go to the website given in the description. And click Download for Windows. Now, wait for the download to complete. Once the download is completed, follow the on-screen instructions. If both your phone and PC are in the same Wi-Fi network, then they will automatically connect and you're good to go. If not, you can also use a USB cable to connect them. This app will work with most video calling apps without any flaws. So that's it for the video guys. Feel free to leave a comment if you face any difficulty while using this app, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content just like this. This is Anirudh signing off. Cheers.